everybody. Just to let you know I'm back. Pappy is back with, we're going to go back to the Firebird and work on the trunk pans. The last time we were there, we removed the old trunk pan and you saw me grind out the paint and everything, and then I coated it with, I didn't tell you about it, but I did coat it at the end of the video with the rust treatment. And then since then, I have sprayed weld-through primer on the area. But what I want to show you is we got to install this and make it fit and cut it out, trim what we need, make this fit into here. And as you can see, we only need about half of it. But that's where we're at right now, and I'm going to get started on it right now. Okay, I'm going to take measurements of the trunk pan and then transfer them to this here. Okay, now we're back over here in the trunk pan, and let me get some light on that. All right, let's see if we can put this up here where you can see, and I can see. So we can find a better place for it. Maybe that's good enough. Okay, let's see if this thing will even lay in here. I don't think it will, but we'll try. Almost there. Okay, I got this trunk pan fitted. Pretty much cut to where I need it. There might be a few more places I need to trim as I go, but I'm going to cleco it into place. I've got these things, they're called clecos. They're like a temporary rivet. You drill a hole and it, as you see, it widens out when you let off on it, and it'll hold the panel in place just like a pop rivet, you know. So that's how they work, but you're going to see those pop up in here, and then when I get everything exactly the way I want it, I'll weld through those holes and you know, plug them up, and that'll work as spot welds as well. But anyway, you'll see what I'm going to do here. I've got to get it attached to the floor completely the way I want it. And then the brace underneath, I've got to mark it off, and then I'm going to pull the panel back off after I got it all attached with the clecos, and I'll have it marked where the brace is, and then I got to trim back or grind back this E-coat so I can weld the brace. You know, I'll drill the holes through here. I'll mark it from the bottom, drill the holes through for the spot welds, and I'll spot weld it to the brace to make everything strong again. But we got to start with fitting this panel and drilling the holes for it to start with, and then I can take them back out and remove it, and then I'll go ahead and set up for the spot welds for the brace underneath. Anyway, just watch me work. just let you know there's going to be a little bit of a change in plan. I'm going to go ahead and end this video here with the trunk pan. As you can see, we got the clecos are all in, and we've got that all complete. Now I'm going to move on to the quarter panels, and we're going to cut out all that Bondo and everything, and I'll do the welding and seam sealing of all three sections, both rear quarters and the trunk pan. We'll get all that done into the next video, but I'm going to end it right here. Thank you, and please like and subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more videos like this.